Tonight I was talking with businesses about the work that the Council's been doing over the last 4 years to help support development of the economy in Denbighshire. It's really great to see so many businesses coming together at events like this and other events that we've held during March for Business and throughout the year. Businesses working together, collaborating, networking and talking to each other about the things that are important to them and the things that they can share and offer.
I'm really pleased to say that the overall impression I get is that businesses do make an extended effort to network. A lot of that is because of Denbighshire County Council. There are a lot of incentives in and around businesses at the moment to encourage us to get out there, not just to remain within the four walls of our confine, but also to get out there and say hello to other businesses. A great example of that is, as you can see, I'm a North Wales Tourism Ambassador, and that is one of the schemes that Denbighshire are really driving at the moment.
It's important that small businesses create lasting and productive networks. What this has done is bring small businesses together with the local authority, with Denbighshire, to create that vital business network. So this is a very, very positive move. Everything we know about small businesses is that they work better when they work collaboratively. It's important for any local economy, but particularly those economies that are more rural, that we create lasting links across small businesses, that where we look at collaboration on supply chains, for instance, to supply local government or larger organisations, that those links are productive.
For local businesses, it's not often they get the opportunity to come together and share good news stories, collaborate, network, but in a friendly environment, and actually with the support networks that are helping them as well. So nights like this is a good time to celebrate doing business in Denbighshire.